Hello everyone, this is Volroth2242 and this is my video review of Transformers Universe Classics Deluxe Galvatron. And as you can see, he's not in that canon that we remember from his first movie appearance, and frankly I'm okay with that. I mean, I would have liked to have had him look like his canon. He would have had less kibble hanging off in robot mode, but I like this updated design. Tanks, I love. I enjoyed the tanks, and he looks like kind of like a bit of a real tank. The only thing that really gives him away is his translucent orange cannon. But other than that, really good figure. And this cannon, let me tell you, is super powerful. Watch. Let's see if it'll do it. That hits with a good force. Doesn't roll too well. No, I take that back. When you let him go, if you hold him just right, let him go, he'll roll pretty well. But other than that, not too well. Just these pieces here and there. But I like this mode a lot. It really fits him. And let me go ahead and take him into robot mode. First thing you want to do is move this down, pop it out. Then you want to. The best thing I can do to get this up is pull apart on the turret and try to get the cannon up. Go ahead and there's an orange tab there. Once you get about in the middle, go ahead and squeeze it together, and that'll hold it in place. And turn it around. And while you're already doing that, go ahead and flip that part over and push in that to reveal his hand. Next thing you'll want to do is fold up on that piece, fold up on that piece, then go ahead and go back some. Split up there, and just wiggle it out, and push, pull out. Again, on this side, wiggle out and push out. Then I like to twist the cannon around so it's facing like that. And then on this side, go ahead and pull the feet out some and move that back. Fold that part in. And go ahead and pull. Oops. This happens a lot more now than I did when I first got them. Go ahead and wiggle the legs down. Get them straight. Go ahead and turn them 180 completely around. Sometimes this skirt gets in the damn way. Next thing you'll want to do is pull the bottom parts of the treads forward. Twist this part forward so that is facing forward, and then twist that the bottom part forward like that. Do the same thing on this side. Slide that forward, fold this in, move it so that part of his kneecap is forward, and twist it so his foot goes forward as well. Go ahead and rotate the feet down on both sides. And let's go ahead and work on the top of Galvatron. Start by pulling back on that, and at the same time just have his arm float there. And what the instructions say to do is to slide it in like that. I'll keep it like that for now. And then you'll want to move the backpack backwards and fold in that bottom piece there. There's little pegs and little holes where those treads fit onto, so go ahead and this happens a lot less frequently to me than I hear other fans say. So I mean, I guess I might have got a decent Galvatron, So go ahead and fold those in so they look like that, and position them how you want. Next you want to do is rotate down on his arm. Fold this up like that. And fold his hand out, turning it around. And then revealing, go ahead and spin out his hand. Like so. And go ahead and pull forward on this and push up on it to reveal his head, which is a pretty cool feature. And one of the things that the instructions say to do that I'm probably not going to do is to have it folded, fold that little notch up on him. Let me back it up. You probably can't see it all that well. Fold that up. Why isn't it not focusing on Galvatron? Oh, for some reason it's not focusing on Galvatron, guys. Sorry about that. And to fold these little feet things up on his backpack. Now the feet thing I do, but the little deal I don't do at all. I just don't like it. It doesn't add anything to his features. Don't make him look any more menacing than he already is. And here is Galvatron in robot mode. And he looks astonishing. He's probably one of my favorite looks. Not too terribly bad. There's some things that could have been different. Like, of course, this backpack, but I'll get into that here in a minute. And this arm, there's just no movement. So let me show you what I do. I pull it back out. I just rest it there so you can get more range of movement with it than just pegging it in there, and you can only get the up and down. So you can give him cool features, cool poses. He's just ready to go. So reading through some of the forums I visit, I found an image of him in what was supposed to have been his third alternate form. It was supposed to be some kind of walking cannon. And if I read if I read further in the article, right, I guess they aborted him being in a ultra class because of animated sound wave, because he was having two different modes, two different robot modes. So they just went ahead and put him in deluxe, which makes me sad, because he could have been as big as Onslaught. But that's just a minor gripe. He's still a decently good figure. I don't suffer from many of the problems a lot of the other people I hear do. I guess a lot of people, when they transform this arm, it pops off constantly. Or these pieces. I mean, what you saw in the video has only happened to me maybe 2 other times, and I've transformed him a lot. When I first got him, I would just sit there and just transform back and forth all day long. But if you see him, don't pass him up. He's a very great figure. So find them. Go to Toys R Us. I still think they're $10.99 there, or $9.99, whatever they are. Don't go to Walmart. Alright guys, thanks and have a good day.